my YouTube channel today. Thank you guys so much for being here today. So guys, in this video I'm just going to be doing a very quick haul of a couple of items that I did get off of Shein, and I was like, you know, let me just come share these items with you guys. Let's see how it looks on me. I just got these items, my package just arrived, so I thought about sharing it with you guys. So stay tuned guys while we try these items on together. And if you're just tuning into my channel for the very first time, virtual hug, a very warm welcome to you. My name is Mikey. Thank you guys so much for being here today, and to all my returning subscribers, you guys already know I had you. So guys, the first item here is this jeans that I did get. It's supposed to be pencil shaped jeans, ripped jeans, but unfortunately it looks like it's not my size, and I did order this in the medium. It's just quite funny that Shein has changed. I might return back to shopping for my jeans on Fashion Nova. They get my real size. Anyway guys, this is what it looks like on me. I don't like the flap. It just looks kind of funny. Do you guys see this? It looks so funny. I don't know, I don't like it. Even, yeah, it's not my size, but I wouldn't return it. I'll just make do with it. I'll manage it and probably not put it on with short tops like this or short shirts, but not bad. And this is a shoe that I did purchase. I was quite disappointed in this shoe because the first time I wanted to get this shoe, it was out of stock. However, it kind of feels like this is for a big fit, not for someone with slim fits like me. But guys, I am not returning, and I will just manage it as it is. It's so weird because the shoe, there's a nice score, we'll call it pumps, no sorry, what do you call this, mules. This is size 40, but unfortunately I should have gotten maybe size 41 or maybe size 39. I don't get it. It just didn't feel nice on my leg. I don't know, this particular Shein order just pissed me off. I just kind of lost interest in the whole item. And next one here is this blouse. Blouse is not bad, to be honest with you. I love the style, fashion, design, I don't know, but I just love that I had this opening here, you know, quite sexy, something nice, beautiful, and decent too, not something to expose my whole body. I honestly, for this one, it's not bad, to be honest with you guys. I like it. I did put it on with this black pants. I got this off of Target. I haven't tried it before, so this was my first time trying it out. And then here we do have this beautiful white blouse as well, top. I did like it, only that I'm just struggling with my tummy. After my second C-section, I just kind of felt like my tummy went out of control. I'm not fat, but the Lord is in control. We're working on the tummy, guys. I love the cut. It looks like a mono strap, but not a mono strap because it does have a hand. But I do love the design of this. The cut on the edges, on the sides, not so bad. And then this one here, guys, this is a beautiful red top. To be honest with you guys, I like this. It's not bad, honestly. Where I just had issue with this is how I was gonna pair it. I don't know for real though, but let's see, guys. I got this in the size medium. I don't know what happened to me. I didn't even notice the collar. One part was down, the other part was up. I liked this, not so bad. Free mommy kind of dress. I'm not used to wearing big dresses, but with this I feel very comfortable because my tummy is not showing as much as it's showed on the other two tops that I was putting on, you know. You know what I'm saying? You can put it on like this, but I'm not that bold. In the summertime, spring, summer, no, cold. So I'll put it on with the jeans. And then I did love this on the model. I think I need to put the model's picture up here for you guys to see. On me, well, I don't even know where I want to wear this to. If I go to work or maybe a party, maybe. Well, this is what it looks like, guys. I don't know, it kind of looked shapeless on me. On the model, it was so beautiful. I was like, oh my god, I love this. The opening and sexy, not so bad. I can decide to go ahead and fold the sleeves if I want to, but it's not my thing. I really don't do that actually, so I'll just go ahead and leave it this way instead of folding the sleeve. But some people don't like their sleeves that long. You can fold it. This haul to me is just kind of like a disaster because I'm not really impressed. And then this is the beautiful sandals I did get. I think I got this in the size 40, but I don't know what is wrong with Shein. I should have gotten it in a size 10 because size 9 is a 40. Or maybe 9.5, you know. I was just not so impressed because it kind of feels like my toes were popping out of the sandals. But it's a beautiful color, beautiful sandals, nude. This shirt too, I didn't try it on. Because when I put it on, I didn't like the way it looked on my body. So it's just gonna be a shirt that I don't know. And then this is the last shirt here that I did get. I love what was written on this shirt. That was why I purchased it. It says, "You are beautiful." Just simple with the butterfly. I love the color. And these jeans, yeah, as I did say, I'm gonna stop buying jeans from Shein. This jeans was a total disaster, complete disaster. I had to give this to a friend and reorder in a size large. I don't like the fitting of the large. This, I wear a medium, you know. This didn't look good on me at all. It didn't even size me. The hip was my size, but the waist wasn't my size, quite unfortunately. I'll put a picture of the model so you guys can see what it was supposed to look like. And this is what it looked like on me. Do you guys see? This is how it's supposed to have looked on me, but I don't know. I don't know if it's me. I don't know. But I was quite disappointed though. I just like the way it's ripped. It's beautiful. This is disappointing. I just had to go put it on with something like this, and this is how I'll manage it. But I have ordered a size large. I don't even know if I'm gonna like the large with this shirt. I don't know yet. Maybe I'll take it to a tailor. I hate taking stuff to the tailor. Anyway guys, well, if you've watched up to this extent, thank you. I've come to the end of my haul. Thank you so much for watching. Please do remember to hit the like and the subscribe button. Thank you. Bye. See you in my next video.